Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to make 3D logo designs on Canva. So let's get started. So there are a lot of templates on Canva you can use. Just go to the search icon and search for 3D logos. And now here you will see a lot of templates that you can use completely for free. But if you want to make a logo from start, click on the create blank page on the left. Once you're on the screen on the left hand side, the second option you'll see elements. Just click on it. So right now we're making a logo for the company called Honey. So go to elements and now search for 3D letters and tap on the graphics on the second option, and now here you will see all of the different 3D letters. So we're just going to use this A1 for example. So once you click on it, you will see a lot of different recommendations of the same style type, and once you click on see all, you will see all of the alphabets of the same style. So just bring them here one by one to create the word honey. Now back in elements, search for honey. Now you will see all of these examples. Now we'll just choose this one. Now to put this at the back, click on the position on the top left hand side and now drag it to the bottom. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.